A high-level defence delegation of Bangladesh, led by Lieutenant General S.M. Kamarul Hassan, Principal Staff Officer, Armed Forces Division, Bangladesh, called on Air Chief Marshal Zahir Ahmed Babar Sidhu, Chief of the Air Staff, Pakistan Air Force, at Air Headquarters, Islamabad. The meeting focused on matters of mutual interest, exploring avenues to enhance bilateral military cooperation, joint training, and technological collaboration in the aerospace domain. During the meeting, Chief of the Air Staff highlighted the strong fraternal relationship between Pakistan and Bangladesh, rooted in shared religious, cultural, and historical ties. The Air Chief also discussed the significance of mutual training and technological collaboration amid the ongoing regional and global challenges. He reaffirmed his commitment to enhancing military partnership between the two air forces through joint training initiatives. Such initiatives will encompass provisioning of basic to tactical level training of the Bangladeshi aircrew. The dignitaries also agreed to explore avenues of high-level collaboration in order to bolster the existing military ties between both the countries.
Air Force to Air Force level, formal understanding on training programs, exchange initiatives and joint training was also discussed by both the commanders.
Lieutenant General S.M. Kamarul Hassan lauded the innovative projects, cutting-edge technologies and indigenously developed technological framework of Pakistan Air Force under the current leadership. He expressed his keen desire to consolidate the existing bilateral relations between the two air forces by fostering enhanced collaboration in the training domain through mutual visits and exchange programs.
The dignitary expressed profound interest in sophisticated military hardware being developed, notably the JF-17 Thunder fighter jets, and highlighted an earliest initiation of formal process for technical and technological assessment of the platform. For the purpose, a formal invitation would be extended for evaluation team visit to Pakistan.
Earlier, the dignitary visited various installations and advanced infrastructure established at Air Headquarters, Islamabad, including National ISR and Integrated Air Operations Center and PF Cyber Command, where he was briefed about the operational capabilities of Pakistan Air Force. The meeting between Chief of the Air Staff, Pakistan Air Force and Bangladeshi Defence Delegation signifies a resolute commitment to reinforce military partnership, fostering collaboration and promoting robust relations between the two countries.